This year, I wanted a Christmas tree that didn't take up any floor space, didn't cost a lot of money, and still felt cozy and festive. So instead of buying a traditional tree, I decided to build a wall-mounted, space-saving Christmas tree, using simple materials you can find almost anywhere, and staying under $50. So I started thinking about how to create a simple tree shape, using just a basic structure. The main material I used was a 4mm steel rod, about 6 meters long. It's affordable, strong, and easy to find at places like Home Depot, hardware stores, Dollar Tree style shops or €1 stores, depending on where you live. Other than that, I only needed some zip ties or wire fasteners, basic Christmas decorations and LED string lights. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, just simple, everyday items. I didn't even have proper cutting tools at home. So instead of cutting the steel rod, I simply bent it back and forth repeatedly until the metal naturally separated. It wasn't fast, but it worked, and it kept the project low budget and simple. Sometimes DIY isn't about perfect tools, it's about making things work with what you already have. Once the rod was separated, I started shaping it. I bent 2 diagonal sides upward, slowly forming the outline of a Christmas tree. The final shape ended up being about 2 meters tall, around 1.3 meters wide. That size was perfect, tall enough to feel like a real tree, but slim enough to fit nicely on the wall without overpowering the room. After shaping the frame, I mounted it flat against the wall. Because the structure is lightweight, it didn't need anything complicated, just a secure, stable attachment so it stays perfectly in place. Once the frame was up, it already looked like a minimalist tree outline. This was my favorite part. I used wire zip ties to attach the decoration pieces directly to the metal frame. Ornaments, garlands, small decorations, everything stayed lightweight and flexible. Then I added LED lights, wrapping them evenly across the structure. As soon as the lights turned on, the whole tree came to life. Finally, I added some cute finishing touches, small ornaments, warm lighting accents, and simple decorations that didn't overcrowd the design. In the end, I had a fully functional, space-saving Christmas tree that cost under $50, used easy-to-find materials, took up 0 floor space and could be taken down and stored in minutes. You don't need expensive decorations or big rooms to create something festive and unique. Sometimes the best holiday projects are the simplest ones, made with creativity, patience, and a bit of imagination. This project was all about creativity, simplicity, and making something unique with what's easily available. I live in a smaller space, and like many people, I didn't want a big tree in the middle of the room. I wanted something minimal, modern, and easy to store after the holidays. A wall-mounted tree solves all of that, no floor space used, super lightweight, easy to decorate, and easy to remove after Christmas. If you like the video and want to see more in future, subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching, like and share the video. We wish you a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. See you in our next video.